Okay, everybody, welcome back to Noah's Adventures on Legacy Farm, and today we have a major storm. "60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, bringing in a cold front. This wind is bad. Stuff blowing everywhere. The mighty roar coming from over there. It's really rough over there. We're not getting the worst of it, but right there was just the worst. Many branches falling down. You can hear many things cracking and falling. Around here it's pretty creepy. This is what we're dealing with today. Real life. Got our gutter set up for a kind of water system. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No way. Chicken's freaking out. I would too. Oh my gosh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo. Greenhouse is barely going to survive this. Hopefully it will. Just make it. All the trees cropping. It's scary. Starting to rain. Supposed to start around 3 o'clock. It's about 3 o'clock right now. Probably means I'll probably have to get the media mod off of the GoPro. I thought of that, but like I want some good audio and to filter out at least some of the wind. This isn't every day around here. But it's supposed to be bringing in a cold front, and next week, this time next week, it should be snowing. It's weird. Today is Friday, March the 3rd, in case you're wondering, when I posted this video. Oh yeah, it's raining the whole thing. Oops. Okay, I got change the media mod and take it off. Okay, let the rain begin. It's just now starting to rain. It's too bad. We'll just have to let it. I'm not going out there. That is kind of nasty. Help a tree a little bit. It's down to the ground, so just decided to bungee it. I mean, bungees fix everything, right? At least most things. Pockets everywhere. Ooh, what in the world? Where's that water coming from? Huh? Must be the water sitting here. Okay, the rain has started. We're heading back home from the show. Yeah, it is blowing.
This is what we need. More rain.
Yeah,
Yippee. Oh boy. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is called the carport soaker.
Yeah.
Because it will blow right into our carport.
Yeah. Oh, y'all can't really tell how blurry it is. GoPro can see outside better than I can.
We'll drive around the corner up there, past the road. A little overlook area on this road. Then turn around. Get back.
Sure.
Okay, we're going to see. Trees down there.
Okay, we got some heavy rain. Just a little bit. Rain pretty hard right now. What here? Oh, we got drift on. Oh, there's some lightning. Oh. A lot of debris everywhere. Not much lighting. Not much, but still some. Gutter came unattached, so it leaks. It is dusting on it. But I'm sure you can at least hear something. But whoa, it is. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Whew. I want to go out there, but I don't want to get soaked. Wow. Yeah, this is some heavy rain. Sheets. Oh gosh. Whoa. God. Again, so this is just crazy. Just crazy. Oh my God. Whoa. Wow, wow, wow. You can hear it off the camera there. How hard it's really coming down. Oh my. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a power truck going down the road. You'll need one. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look right here. There's so much water it can't go all three together. Look, look, look. No way, no way. That is ridiculous. There's too much water so it can't all go out together. So it's splitting out. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look, look, look. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is crazy. This is like one of the heaviest rains. Look at that. This is what's coming out of the gutter. Look at this rain, guys.
That's fine in 10-second increments, but I don't want that too long.
No. Rain's calmed down a lot, so I decided to go out and show y'all a bit of the rain effects. This water is running fast. Whew. Yikes. Okay. That is like inconvenient. Okay, so Dad just told me this storm is moving from west to east at not 10, not 20, not 30, not 40, not 50, not 60, but 70 miles an hour. Yeah, that wins. This storm is moving very fast. The worst is already past. That's just tracking it. This is not the worst at all. This is nothing. Well, it's something, but compared. Got a new battery out here. Battery's at 100%. Got 1 hour left on my SD card. 128 gig. 3 hours have gone by pretty quick. Let's pull this up. See how much there's any water in it. Oh wow! Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's how much water's under there. This was closed. Wow, that's cool. There's like literally standing water in there. Wow, that's really neat. Okay, so this is kind of like shows you how much rain we really got. Look at this. It is like, oh my gosh, I'm like probably gonna fall if I'm not careful. This is crazy. It's like slick. Look at the road. Wind might blow me down in the mud. Go down the tracks. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Whoa. Oh, look. Wow. Look at whoa, look at the water pouring in here. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of water going through here. Gathering. Wow. It's like really running. Running through here too. Whoa. I'm like sliding up here. Silly. I'm not surprised if I fall down. So this is my photo blind and bird habitat area. Just wanted to show y'all and look at if the rain did any damage. I doubt it, but just see the wind, rain. It could do anything. Yeah, it rains. It kind of rhymes. But okay, I'm sliding down the hill. I'm going to show y'all something that I have never shown y'all before. We're going. Now that I'm down here, there's actually lots of water down here. The pond is full. Look at this water. Lots of water down here. Just got really dark. That's kind of creepy. Got firm instructions. If it starts to get windy, come right out. So, and don't take the way through the trees. So, you need to be careful. If that wind randomly starts like up again, it could be dangerous. I don't want to be dangerous, so I'm going to be safe. Just walking through the pond. Water comes and drips through here. More than drips, it like runs. See, there's water running in through there. It's not good. But what I'm about to show you, if I can. Oh, it's raining. It's rain. Ah, so horrible. Whew, it's not overflowing. That's good. Good. But this is still not good at all. Right in the bottom of that pool, there's frog eggs. While my friends were here, fixing our basement, our house and stuff. We went down here to the pond, and a lot of frog eggs were drying up just because the water had all gone down and everything. And so I decided maybe we could dig a hole and fill it with water. And so this is what this is right here. Don't know. Okay, I decided to get some eggs on a stick. Look, they're starting to germinate, and because they got white spots on them. That's really great. It's really, really good. Look at all of them. Whoa. Goodbye. Now I can probably pull them up with my hand. Oh, they went way down. Oh, there's some. So that will be it for today's video. If nothing else crazy happens, I might do some more filming tomorrow. What? No. In 2 days. Probably Sunday. Because tomorrow's Shabbat. Anyways, probably do some more filming on Sunday. So I can show y'all anything if we go driving around anywhere. But this is the storm. Getting totally annihilated out here. Oh! Rain and cold. Oh gosh. I have to walk through this. This is ridiculous. Oh my kidding. So crazy. I'm gonna come in and I'm like a wet cat or a dog or something. Oh my gosh. I'm going in the woods for a minute. It's not windy. Let me wait till this dies down a bit. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm getting in the woods. Get there. Almost there. Keep pushing. Okay. Yo. That was much better. Let me go deeper. This is the woods. Oh, this is hard, right? It's crazy. Cow doesn't like it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sure you're all wishing you could experience this right now. Whoa. This is crazy. I'm saying goodbye and it started this. I am literally like dripping wet right now. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Till I'm out in the open. Oh god. Let's get right in it. Totally soaked to the skin. If it wasn't windy, I would have had been out in the open. Oh, this is ridiculous. I think I'm gonna shower actually. Let's go big. Okay, so that's what we did today. Hope y'all enjoyed. Please definitely give it a thumbs up. And thankfully, please subscribe. So, goodbye.